Dictation for a Chandigarh High Court at the rate 100 word per minute. Exercise number 18, 405 words. So be ready, start. In this reference, we are called upon to decide certain issues which are very vital to Muslim women. The learned single judge of this court came to a conclusion that the decision of this court is contrary to the object and spirit of the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, Muslim Women Act for short. The learned single judge was of the view that, and we quote his words, in the interest of fair justice, this matter requires to be referred to full bench for decision. He has stated that having gone through the various authorities, he had noticed that the consistent view of the various courts after coming into force of the Muslim Women Act was that the Muslim women is entitled to claim post-iddat period maintenance under section 4 of the Muslim Women Act and not under section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, the code for short. The learned judge has directed that the matter should be referred to full bench. In our opinion, in view of Rule 7 of Chapter 1 of Part 1 of the Bombay High Court Appellate Side Rules 1960, it was not open for the learned single judge to give any such direction. If it shall appear to any judge either on the application of a party or reference otherwise that an appeal or matter can be more advantageously heard by a bench of 2 or more judges, he may report to that effect to the Chief Justice, who shall make such order thereon as he shall think fit. If the learned single judge was of the view that the matter could more advantageously be heard by a bench of 2 or more judges, he should have made a report to that effect to the learned Chief Justice. The ultimate decision as to whether a larger bench should be constituted or not would obviously lie with the learned Chief Justice. For aught we know, in a given case, the learned Chief Justice may come to a conclusion that the matter does not require to be referred to a larger bench, and he may not constitute a larger bench. Judicial propriety demands this procedure to be strictly followed. We also feel that rather than merely reproducing the arguments of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, the learned single judge ought to have given reasons which promoted him to draw the conclusions which he has drawn. Full stop. स्टूडेंट, ये आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, जो आपकी PDF है, PDF के फॉर्म में, और टेलीग्राम चैनल आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू।